Welcome to the new DreamHouse experience. Hello, hola, bonjour, and ni hao. Welcome to our new home. In case you're just tuning in, I'm Barbie Roberts, and I am so excited I don't even know where to start. Follow me and my friends on an exciting adventure in the DreamHouse. Ta-da! This is it! Cool, huh? Now, there's only one rule in this house, and that's be yourself and have fun. Okay, technically that's 2 rules. Anyway, there's so much to discover. Explore away. My house is your house. Click anything you like. Don't be shy. Ring, ring. Looks like your phone needs attention. Ha! My trusty frying pan. There are so many things you can cook with it. I like my eggs sunny side up. Can you make one? A heart balloon! Go ahead, tap it to pop it. You can create bread by baking dough directly in the oven. Useful if you've run out of bread slices for your giant sandwiches. Hooray! That's just enough hearts for a new gift. Just tap on the gift to open it. The stand mixer is my go-to tool to make dough for my pastries and pizzas. Simply toss a bag of flour in there and watch it go! Whoosh! You can then flatten the dough by using the rolling pin. Did you find it already? The food printer is Dad's favorite machine. You can use it to print all kinds of ingredients if you're missing something for a recipe. Ring, ring! Looks like your phone needs attention. Bonus gift time! Let's check out all the rewards. So much stuff to play with! What a cool reward! Go check it out in the DreamHouse. You can come back every day to collect. You'll get to open a new bonus gift soon. This is an automatic cake maker. It's amazing. You can make fantastic cakes with just a touch. Keep pressing to create the other layers. You can also decorate your cakes. Can you find out how? Hooray! That's just enough hearts for a new gift. Nice! There are plenty of garbage cans scattered around the house. You can always throw away items that you don't need. Don't worry, it recycles what it can automatically. Dirty dishes? No problem. You can use the dishwasher or place them in the sink. Don't let them pile up, though. What's your fantasy today? Want some more fashion? Want some more fashion? Want some more fashion? I love it. Great job. I could really go for a snack. Most of the food can be found in the kitchen or on the roof terrace. And bam! A new gift is ready for opening. So stylish. I want to set a new trend today. The virtual mirror in my bedroom is perfect for dressing up and trying new fashions. Whenever you help us with one of our wishes, you'll get heart balloons. Welcome to BarbieGram, a Friends Network exclusive to the DreamHouse. It includes you, me, and all of our wonderful friends. You can now share pictures, camera mode, engaged. Voila! A brand new picture by you. You can now trick it out with wacky filters, frames, stickers, and even draw on it. Yay! And voila! You can exit the camera app and go see all the comments on BarbieGram. Go, go, go! Winter Wonderland is here! The DreamHouse, your very first post! Can you read the comments everyone wrote to you? New followers, too! So exciting! The more you post on BarbieGram, the more followers you'll get. The more you post on BarbieGram, the more you can express yourself. No worries, though. Only DreamHouse friends can leave you delightful messages. Keep on creating and having fun. Oh, here's where Teresa set up her super high-tech smart salon. It's still a work in progress, though. Just sit in the chair and choose a new style. Hooray! That's just enough hearts for a new gift. There's nothing like the relaxing effect of a long, warm bath after a busy, busy day. You should try it. Big mood lighting. Aha! Tap this button to trigger special LED lights. Add color to a room for any occasion. There's always so many people in the dream house that we needed more than one shower. Just touch the shower head to start or stop it. This vanity is awesome. My sisters and I used to fight all the time over who got to use the bathroom and when. Now everyone can use it at the same time. Brilliant. The elevator was a great addition to the dream house. We can take the cakes up to the terrace whenever we throw a huge pool party. Did you know I have a video blog? Vlog for short. I use my computer to tell my friends and fans all about our latest and greatest adventures. Sometimes my sisters and Ken also use the computer to play games and browse the web. My bed is so comfortable, I often find the puppies curled up in it. I swear, Honey has the loudest snore. Don't tell Chelsea, though. My best idea for the new dream house was the virtual mirror. It's 100% amazing! The mirror can project clothes onto the people standing in front of it, so they can try on lots of different outfits in a few seconds without the hassle of getting dressed. You gotta take it for a spin.